So this PDF have 25 questions. So what I do is I divide all the 25 questions into 5 parts, like 5 question, and then I will take after I complete 5 questions, then I will take after I complete 5 questions. That's how I make my to-do list. I divide my list into small parts like this. Now I will complete all the left questions and then I will come back to you. Finally, my ancient history is complete. This is how I revise. I don't want to leave any space. I even feel this space also because मेरे दिमाग में चुभता है ऐसे. I started at 8. Took me 2 hours to complete my GK ancient history notes. To be honest, I usually start at like 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. my morning session, but today I started at like 8 a.m. because I woke up late. So I'm still gonna study for 4 hours because this is my morning session. I do complete 4 hours no matter what, and right now it's 10, so I have to study 2 more hours till 12 to complete my 4 hours. I'm gonna take a short break right now and then I will come back to my table because we are done with our bed now. I'm gonna study on my table. Look at the view. इस पे देखो कितने सारे फूल लगे हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 almost 50. टेस्ट सही नहीं है. All the mock tests I was giving were going great. Like I was getting above average marks. I was feeling good. आज फिर से मैंने सेम टी शर्ट डाली है.